Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota 4Runner's four-wheel drive system. We'll cover the essential modes and when to use each one, ensuring you can confidently tackle diverse driving conditions. Whether you're on a paved road or venturing off-road, knowing your four-wheel drive options is key. This guide will help you understand how to engage and disengage the system properly, maximizing your vehicle's capability and your safety. Let's get started. First, let's look at two-wheel drive high, or 2H. This mode is perfect for daily driving on dry, paved surfaces, offering the best fuel efficiency. When conditions get a bit tricky, like on gravel roads or light snow, you'll want to switch to four-wheel drive high, or 4H. Remember to engage 4H when traveling below 62 miles per hour to ensure a smooth transition and prevent any strain on the drivetrain. It provides extra grip without sacrificing too much speed. For the most challenging off-road adventures, four-wheel drive low, or 4L, is your go-to. This mode delivers maximum torque at lower speeds, perfect for steep inclines, deep mud, or rock crawling. To engage 4L, ensure your vehicle is completely stopped and the transmission is in neutral. Additionally, your 4Runner features active traction control, or A-Track, which automatically applies braking to individual slipping wheels, sending power to those with traction. This significantly enhances your capability on uneven terrain. To ensure the longevity of your 4Runner's four-wheel drive system, avoid using 4H or 4L on dry, paved roads. This can cause unnecessary stress and potential damage to the drivetrain. It's always a good idea to practice engaging and disengaging the different modes in a safe, open environment to become familiar with the process. Finally, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for detailed instructions and recommended maintenance schedules specific to your model. Happy and safe off-roading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.